In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple email addresses in Ninja Forms. This is perfect when you want form submissions to notify more than one person, like a teammate, a department inbox, or a client, right from your WordPress site. We'll start inside your WordPress dashboard, open the Ninja Forms area, then on the dashboard screen, locate the form you want to update and click Edit to open the form builder. That brings you to the place where notifications are configured. Inside the builder, look for the Emails and Actions panel. Open the email notification you want to modify. This is often labeled something like admin email or email notification. In that action, find the field where recipients are listed, typically called to. Here's the key. Ninja Forms accepts multiple recipients in that to field. You can separate addresses with commas or place each on its own line, depending on your preference. If you want to loop in others without making them primary recipients, use the CC field. For private copies, use BCC. Keep the from address set to an email from your own domain for better deliverability, and consider using a reply to that points to the person who should receive responses. Take a moment to review the subject and message body. You can include form data using merge tags so recipients get the details they need at a glance. When you're happy with the setup, save your changes. Use update, publish, or done, depending on what your interface shows. A few helpful tips before you test. If you're not receiving messages, check spam or junk folders, then confirm each address is spelled correctly and separated properly. For best results, set up authenticated email sending on your site with an SMTP plugin or your host's mail service. That reduces the chance that multi-recipient emails get flagged. If your workflow requires strict privacy, prefer BCC for additional recipients so their addresses aren't exposed to others. And if you want the notification to go to someone the user specifies in the form, use a merge tag from an email field rather than typing a static address. Finally, test the form. Use preview or submit a quick entry on the live page. Verify that all intended inboxes receive the notification, the formatting looks right, and replies go where you expect. If anything's off, return to emails and actions and adjust the to, CC, BCC, or reply to fields, then save and test again. That's all there is to it. Multiple recipients in Ninja Forms configured clearly and reliably.